issue that needs to be fixed. Anyway, child.player equals get parent. Connect each state to the player. Whatever. Current state equals state.get idle. I'm assuming it's telling me to do an idle state somewhere. Yeah. Function change states passes a state name, current state state.exit, that's just default. Current state equals states.get new state name. Okay. I don't understand. Let's continue. Create state scripts for walking and sprinting. What about the idle? Did I miss something? Oh, no, it's right here. Whoopsies. Alright, well, that makes sense logically, though. I'm just gonna add different nodes. Idle. Walk. I'll just add these first. Idle, walk, and sprint. Okay, and I'm going to be creating a script for each of these. Wait, what? Why is the idle... Bro. Bro, what? 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 Okay, I can already tell, unfortunately, that this is not correct, because this is 8-way move, or 4-way movement, and my original had 8-way movement. Okay. So yeah, cool. And also this is fucking movement. This is not idle state. Whatever. I mean, it's good that I at least recognize that, and I'm not just blindly following the instructions, but I mean, I'll do this for now, but after we... Oh wait, maybe it's because there's no speed variable, that's why. I hope these were the default speeds from my original script. I can probably just go up and look. No, I had multipliers. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to fix that then, unfortunately, but that's fine. This is definitely necessary. Okay, well... For now, this is fine. We'll just... Okay, well, I can tell already from a lot of this that... The fuck is that? Oh. I'm so confused by this player. It didn't even create a variable. I'm just gonna see if I can initialize that and see if it does anything. Because it's probably meant to be there. Okay, sprint. It's all the same shit. I'm probably gonna have to fix it. And we have a dodge roll state now. So I mean, hey, let's just go ahead and do that so that I can at least say I did something new today. Dodge. No, I don't want to rename it. I'm just for curiosity's sake, I'm gonna blind paste this and see what it does, if anything. But again, this is gonna completely fuck up my movement because it only has 4 directions. It's fine. And also there's no reference to the animated sprite. Unless, well, am I wrong? Yeah, it's not, this is not calling my animation at all, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I can tell you right now, we're gonna have to fix that. That's the person structure. But I will go ahead and read what each of these do, though. So we have, what was this? What am I in? Idle? Yeah, we established that this was wrong because it only has 8 directions. It's fine. This is also wrong because it only has 4 directions. But it does have a speed, so that does kind of make me feel like it's going to do something. Yeah, again, I'm just not really sure how this is going to even work because it's not connecting. Well, I guess it connects to the state machine hierarchically from here. I guess it doesn't have to reference it from the script, maybe? I don't know. Okay, well, I was in here. We have directions. So if direction equals vector 2.0, so I guess this just means it's not, the character's not moving. So call the idle state if not moving. That makes sense. Player velocity equals direction dot normalized times speed. I guess that makes sense. Player move and slide. Okay. And then if we press the sprint button, which is, I think, valid. Input map. Can I have my own inputs? Sprint. Okay. I think that's right. Yes. Sprint is the correct term there, so I got that right. I don't know why it's capitalized here, though. Oh, no, it's because it's capitalized in the node. Okay, and then this is this. Oh, I think I was already in the sprint state. That's fine. Oh, hey, I did get that right, though. I mean, I hope that this is correct. Because this was the default that I had. Again, I'm just concerned about the the 8-way movement. Okay, this is new shit. I have not even made a button for for dodge rolling yet, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to actually use this. What the fuck? Okay, so we have a roll timer, which is, I assume, is just how long it lasts. Roll speed, which makes sense. You want to make it a little faster than your movement so that your character can move quickly out of the way. Roll direction is vector 2. I assume this is just like maybe where the player is moving. Okay. I guess that this maybe is trying to do logic for when the player's finishing a roll. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I was highlighted the wrong node. Okay. Now, where does it call the movement for the dodge, though? State machine? We don't have a input button. No. Like for walk, we have move up, move down, and then we have the sprint buttons for sprinting. Wait. Do I have different movement tech or movement terms for sprinting? No, I just have sprint. Like a modifier, kind of. Bro, what the fuck? Me trying to make sense of my own code. Technically not my own code, it's GPT's code because I'm dumb and stupid. Yeah, I don't know how the fuck it's supposed to call dodge though, because I don't have a button for that. I mean, I can make one now, right? How do I add a new button? I forget. I have an interact button that I don't use yet. Cool. Oh, add new action. Dodge. Bink. Listening. For, okay. We'll just make that the circle button because I'm using a PS5 controller. I don't care about keyboard settings yet. So we have a dodge input now, but where do I call that in the dodge script? I'm just gonna ask it right away. I noticed that we don't have it. Maybe I could, I don't know, maybe I should try to figure this out on my own. Let us examine the walk script. If input is action, just press sprint. Player.stateMachine.change state sprint. I guess I can just do that then, right? Let's just copy and paste it. Wait, where is it put though? After move and slide is called, I guess. No, it's just space and okay. It's in the physics process, okay. So I will add dodge. Just call itself, I guess. Fuck it, we ball. Crash. Okay, cool, it doesn't do anything. Yay, we have achieved failure. Oh, pause menu works. Wait, does it work on the controller? It does. Okay, that's good. Makes sense, because I think it's controlled via the main node anyway. Yeah, so clearly this is fucking wrong. Now we have to figure out why it's wrong though. Yay! Alright, so now comes the rigorous process of debugging. Okay, so I'll worry about the dodge roll mechanic later, because right now you just have to figure out how to make it work again. Another reason why you should have version control other than maybe just copying pasting shit. Because Because now we don't have any fucking references to any of this shit. Like, I don't have the dust particles, the animated sprite. The walking doesn't actually matter that much right now. The pause menu is fine. I think it does deal with that. It doesn't... I didn't see any of this shit in anywhere in the script, so that's gonna have to change. Okay. We've been working for a good amount of time here. What the fuck? Why does my Twitch say I've only been streaming for 16 minutes? What the fuck? No shot, right? Wait, why does my Streamlabs say I've been streaming for an hour and 14 minutes and Twitch says 16 minutes? What? Did my stream crash or something? The fuck? Yeah, it stopped at an hour and 24 and just made a new stream for some reason. That's weird and fucked up. How am I supposed to upload the VOD now? Damn it, Twitch. What the fuck happened? Okay, well, I guess it doesn't matter that much, but that's annoying. Anyway, what I was just trying to say before I realized that Twitch fucked me, I guess, no shade, is I might take a break and do something else for a little bit. I'm not gonna leave, but it is 2 a.m., so I guess maybe I should chill. I don't know. No, I guess I'll just keep going, but yeah, so clearly Mr. GPT did not include any of this other shit that I've included in my script. So that's annoying. Okay, I might just try to reiterate the stuff I have for in here. Did it even say anything about that? I don't even think I should have this shit in the idle script. That doesn't make sense. There's not supposed to be any movement. I'm just gonna cut that. Probably useless code. I don't know if I should be trying to figure this out instead of like looking up a tutorial or not. Okay. So, okay. Oh, this guy is so... Why does he use the same line with every freaking track? It's so weird. I agree that this is a good way to refactor things. I apologize to the artist, I'm just a whiny little bitch boy. So I agree that this is a good way to refactor things, but as is right now, the player does not move when there is input. Also I can see that there is only four-way movement. And the walk, sprint scripts that I originally had eight-way movement with smoothing. There are no calls to my animation node either. I wish there was a way for me to just copy this tree. Is there a way? No, copy frames. There's no way for me to just copy this tree here? Please? I guess not. What does my original script have for animation? Because I'm pretty sure it just... Does it call every animation? Determine the animation to play based on movement, direction, and sprint state. Makes sense. Yeah, this is the smoothing as well, which is not in the new movement scripts that we want to include. I don't know if the camera even works or not yet because we don't have the movement. I guess this is fine for me to say right now. Yeah. What, is there anything else I can maybe help it figure out? Like, So this main node uses a variable that connects to the state machine. Correct. And it calls state machine to process physics, which delegates movement to the state machine. Like, this logic makes sense. It's just nothing. Like, just this shit is just not right. So I'm thinking most of this is just gonna be fixed in here, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna tell it what I know right now, and we'll try to figure it out. This is good. I need to figure out why there's no input right now. Your original code used controller dead zones and normalized input for smooth 8-way movement. Let's bring that back, okay. Okay, this is good, because I think that's originally what we had. Let's just go ahead and see if that works. This is the walk, right? Okay, cool. It looks good. I'm curious if this will work right away. No. I'm moving the joystick and there is no movement. I'll press the sprint button. No. No movement. Interesting. Okay. I'm just going to copy this over to sprint immediately because I think this is at least better than what it had. It looks like the original script. It's just that the inputs are not quite connecting for some reason. Enter. What the fuck is this? Isn't that not... Doesn't that not make sense? What the fuck? What the fuck? Like, shouldn't it just be this? A little weird. This is a very strange if statement, isn't it? Because I would expect this to just be in the walk state. Like, this could probably be simplified into just, like, direction does not equal vector 2.0. That is weird, because this still only accounts for 4 directions, not the other 4 directions, like the diagonal movements. So what the fuck? I should have told it that I made a dodge button. So I don't have an animation for it yet. Oh, GPT, you are something else. I mean, it's better than me just blindly fucking around, but like, yikes, this is not correct. Now everything works, yay! I like how it just assumes that it works. And it literally doesn't work at all. Oh, it's funny. I'm not even gonna bother with this yet. I mean, I don't know. I guess this is good. I'm just gonna replace this because this is obviously not the correct input name. Like, I don't know. The logic makes sort of sense. Like, I can see already that this does make sense, but I'm not at that point yet. Like, the roll timer logic, that does look good. Again, though, it's just not moving. I'm probably gonna have to... Oh, we have a crash. Invalid get index, animated sprite on base. Where is that? Yeah, fucking... What? Again, I have no idea where it's... This is supposed to be linked, I'm pretty sure, to Character Body 2D. I don't know why GPT is not initializing it like that. But I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. Like, I can try to do it myself and see if it works. Like, maybe that would fix things. Here, I'll just copy and paste that because I think that's maybe what's going on. Like, I don't really know why it's hallucinating. I saw it when I walked, boy. Wise words. I soy beats. Sorry. I don't even think that's the same artist. Maybe it is. I don't know. This is the same. I feel like that this is not right though. Animated sprite. So I think it's just using the wrong name here. And it might crash again. Did I spell it wrong? Invalid get index animated sprite 2D. Oh, jeez. Let me go back to the original script and see what it used for the animation. Animated sprite dot play. And now animated sprite might be, yeah, it's referenced here. So in here, it's trying to access animated sprite 2D. It's trying to reach this node from player, which is, I'm pretty sure, supposed to be this main script. So this main script is supposed to have animated 2D sprite, or sprite 2D. or reference to it, but I feel like it should just automatically see it because it's in the same node tree. It's a child. It's right here. But it's not seeing it for some reason. The play function is correct. I'm pretty sure it's fine. I just need to figure out how to connect this. What script is this? Is idle? I'm kind of stumped, I'm not gonna lie. Invalid call, non-existent function dot play in base nil. It's not, these things are not connecting. I don't know why. Why do you fail me, GPT? Why am I also inept? Why can I not figure this out? I feel like it shouldn't be that hard. Let me know what you want to polish next. I want you to polish my functionality, bitch. It's not working. It's not working. Theoretically, it does work. It's just not being. It's not able to get the animation to play. As far as I know, it works. It's not able to reach the animation. I'm just gonna like ask it how are the states accessing the animated 2D animated sprite 2D? Game, it gave me an error, the idle script saying, it's originally it said player was like non-existent or something. Like, let me just get rid of this shit and see what it says. I forget. Well, fuck. No, it's not saying anything about it. Probably because I added this. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm trying to find a specific sound bite, but I can't find it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. It gave me an error in this idle script saying, I'll just, fuck it, I'll just say invalid call. Player dot animated sprite dot play idle. Is a non-existent function. Again, man, I don't. What the fuck? I feel like it's supposed to be an onReady tag either. Maybe it's okay. That now we're getting somewhere. That looks. Is that already in there? No. No, I manually set it to onReady. This probably isn't even gonna work, but I will blindly copy and paste everything again. Yay! This was for state machine. Okay. Goodbye hearing in my left ear. Cool. Oh. What is this? Hello? Where do I see the error? Get input. Get input. Get input. Is that not? I used get joystick axis in the original. What the fuck, dude? I don't even see the dead zone shit in here. Where it's supposed to be. Okay, well it has it in the why doesn't it have it in the fucking walk too? Like it's supposed to be. Brother. Did it say that in the new sprint? No, it got rid of the what? Why did it get rid of the fucking dude? This is chalked. This is why you don't let GPT code for you, kids. Oh man. Now, did the same wrong thing in this script too. I shouldn't even fucking do this. Like, why am I doing this? Because it's gonna have the same exact problem. Dodgel. And this is not gonna work either. I already know it's not gonna work because there's already errors in here. Get input. This is so annoying. I shouldn't have gotten into state machines. Worst mistake of my life. Shit, man. This is gonna take so long. So it has a get input function originally, which I like. Because it worked, but I need to figure out how to make it work in this new shit. Man, I'm crashing out. It doesn't even use a direction. It uses input from the get input function, and get input returns the vector of the input based on the joystick, whatever the player is doing with the joystick, which is not included at all in the new state machine process. Now, it's trying to do this all in a physics process, which I don't think it did at all. It called player movement in the physics process. I feel like I just need to dissect this original fucking thing, but for some reason, ChatGPT is like, no, we're gonna do everything fucking wrong. I should really just try to do this myself instead of getting it to do it for me like a lazy ass. Okay, maybe I'll do that. So, okay, it's trying to do everything here. Does it do animation in player movement? I guess it does. It does like everything inside of the player movement function here in the original, which is what I was trying to avoid with state machines as our player gets more and more complex. Let's figure out state machines. Fucking A. I really just want to fucking copy and paste. I'm just gonna do that. Because clearly it is getting way too confused with everything and trying to make new shit when it shouldn't be. I'll try to copy and paste it specifically so that we have a better chance of getting it correct. I really shouldn't. I should really be doing this shit myself, but I'm lazy. And stupid. Okay. So this is the get input function. This is really good. This perfectly gets the input vector we need. That it's incorrectly trying to do here for some reason without doing anything in the physics process. It took this. It took the returned input vector and then basically passed it through to the movement, right? The get movement function. Player movement, yeah. Yes. I just want to fucking translate this and put it into the new state machine. That's all I want to do, ChatGPT. To determine... Did it actually process the movement, or did it just determine animation? Because that might be important. Yeah, no, it did do that. In the first few lines of the function, it looks like it's determining the state and figuring out the fucking velocity. I don't know. And then it does the deceleration too. And then it calls it move and slide. accelerations, the velocity, and deceleration as the player stops. How do I politely tell the bot to fucking get it right? How do I translate this into the new state machine and states? Keep the get input function inside the player script so states can access it. Okay. I do think that might be better. Man, I hope this fucking works. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. I thought this was sprint and I forgot walk. Never fine. This looks better. Now to find out if it works better. So let's fucking restore our fucking wrecked original main node. Okay, so now I'm assuming we change the state machine after that. Switching between states. I have no idea if this does anything. Doesn't change a whole lot. Again, players isolated, like, I don't know what the is this. I mean, I assume this is supposed to just figure it out. I don't know. Maybe I'm stupid. No errors so far. looks like it's seeing get input correctly because we have an actual get input function in the main node now. So hopefully that's just correctly calling it from a state machine. Please, dear God, please. Please be calling it correctly, I beg you. This is just gonna, I'm just gonna fix this shit again. This is not actually going to be correct because I don't have a dodge in the animated sprite. Can I go into this sprite, please? I'll just add one for the sake of adding it, but call it dodge. And I'm going to have to fix this as well. Wait, fuck. Do I put the input name or the animated 2D sprite name? Can I fix that? Okay, cool. We'll just have them both be lowercase, that's fine. That way it doesn't matter. Oh my god. Alright. Fucking A. Please, please, please. Okay, I should have expected this. Playing? Oh, this is just related to the fucking noise. What was it originally? I literally don't even remember because I haven't used the sound at all in a while. Walking sound. It was in player movement, I think. At the end, right? No, that's correct. It should be playing function. Why is it not getting that? Player.walking sound at playing. It could be because... Is this... What class is this in? This is an idle again. So it should be going to player... Fucking... It needs to be accessing the walking noise, which is... walking sound. Which is not used at all. But neither is animated 2 sprite is not used in these at all either, and yeah, it didn't throw an error. Player.getNode. Maybe we should just do this again. But playing is the correct function because that's just that's a walking not a walking noise. That's a audio stream player 2D function. The fuck? Oh wait, no, it's not having... it's having an issue with get index, not that it doesn't exist. So I think that's valid, it's just not... What do you mean index? It's not indexing anything. What? Bro, it's accessing it the same exact way. Why is it not working? Maybe it's because it's not? Maybe it's because it was conditional? Maybe if we like just reverse it. See if that works maybe. No, it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, let's fucking... Maybe I can just comment this out. I don't fucking even care about the noises right now. Unless it's in all of them, which it probably is. Maybe not? Wait, why is that an only idle then? Because I feel like it should be playing while we're moving? Like in the walk and sprint. I don't know the logic behind that. What the fuck? What? Dude, I don't understand that at all. But who cares right now? It's not relevant. Okay, so it's having a hard time seeing the other nodes for some reason. Still. Dust particles not emitting. Now this is something I do care about because I want the dust particles to be playing while we're moving. It's having trouble with the set index emitting with value of type bool. And it's not doing anything with the dust particles in these classes either. Fuck. I gotta say, I'm kind of stumped right now. Well, that's fucking annoying, but maybe it'll still work otherwise. Okay, it's just playing the dust particle effect by default anyway. Okay. I just moved the stick and everything died. Cool. Invalid call. Function exit at base node 2D. Idle.gd. Exit? Where is exit? Oh, here. No, that's true. I don't know where the fuck it's saying to access that, bro. Like, is this a built-in function, GPT? Like, oh my god. I swear that thing just hallucinates all the time. But I don't know how to fix it, though. That's the problem. I don't know how to do this on my own. But I want to. I want to figure it out. So okay. I'm assuming, so this is in the state machine class, okay. Where's enter? Where is this coming from too? Like I understand that it's trying to change state, but like why not just say change state? Where is change state even happening? So it's accessed here in the physics process for some reason. Bro, this is fucking convoluted as shit. I hate state machines, raw. Maybe I'll just fucking go back and make a giant behavior document in the main node like I did originally. Should I do that, chat? Should I say fuck state machines and make a monster spaghetti code script that does everything? Because I feel like it's gonna be more fucking useful in this shit. Like, my god. I don't know. Maybe once I get this working, it'll be worth it. But holy shit. It's like so much to keep track of. Okay. It does not know where exit is happening. Let's just ask it what is exit? It appears to be having a hard time figuring out the exit function. Call in the state machine script in the change state function. Is this supposed to be native GD script function or something we neglected? Brother, did it seriously just repeat the same exact code? What is exit? We did not define it in the state machine. If you're looking at my VTube model right now, it is accurate. My mouth is agape. Why the fuck? Bro. What do you mean nothing special needed for now? What? Oh my god. What? GPT, I don't think that... Literally, just to humor it, I'm gonna try it, see if it works, because it's not. And if it does, I will die. What is this? Pass. What? Is it not supposed to be responsible for the act of exiting a state? What am I doing? I'm just copying each one. I'm being stupid. I'm being more stupid than GPT right now. What the fuck? There's no way this solves it. No shot. I'm so distressed right now. It's not even funny, bro. No, not inside that fucking... Not inside the same function, please. What? Oh, it's just an indentation error, my bad. It did something different for dodge roll for some fucking reason. Bro, I don't understand. What do you... Watch, it's just gonna do the same exact thing, man. Boom. Oh, Buh. I am going to eat my own hand. my honest reaction. Oh my god, bro. My honest reaction to it actually working. What the fuck? I hate coding. Oh my god. What the fuck? Why does that... Okay, I'm not even gonna question it, because it stopped working when I tried to sprint. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing. So when I press the sprint button, which is the left joystick toggle button, it does not work. Well, it works for the first time, and then once I press it again, it stops working. So we can actually figure that out on our own. The issue is that I forgot to include it. No, we can just say pass here, actually. That is so bizarre. What the fuck? Does a dodge roll work? No, it doesn't do anything when I dodge roll though. I am pressing the dodge button and it is not doing anything. That's okay. Oh my god. Alright. That was so dumb, bro. Alright, I can put that on the done. Fucking done list though. That did not take as much time as I thought it would. Which is actually pretty nice. I have a state machine now, so I guess that's cool, but I did neglect to figure out how it works at all, so maybe the next thing we should do is just analyze new state machine for future reference. Doing that. I'm probably just gonna wrap up there though, because it is almost, it is 3 a.m. Whoops, I lost complete track of time. I'm still pissed that I have to like, I have 2 different streams now, because Twitch fucked me. I'm sorry, Twitch, I'm sorry, it's just, I should say Streamlabs might have fricked me, because I don't know why it stopped streaming midway through my session here. Yeah, no, I don't, I guess I'll just upload both to my VOD channel, this question mark. Anywho, I'll figure that out after I'm done streaming. For now, we should figure out our state machine, I guess. There's Isoy Beats again, that opening statement. Okay, so let's go back to the main node. Nothing. The only thing we changed is that we delegated the animation to our state machine, I think. Where am I? Idle? I do actually have to fix this though, because it still doesn't work correctly, where I stop moving and it just defaults to the original, to the this frame. I need to fix that. So I could probably do that at some point, whatever. Let's see. State machine goes to the state machine node. Animated, all these just point to our other nodes. Although technically these 2 I have to fix probably next time. Let's see, these are good, these are the same. I can just adjust these from the main node, which is cool. We have the pause menu shit here, which is good, I guess. Where did I put the little pause menu logic? I think they go back. Maybe not. I don't know why they would be in these states, to be honest. So That's interesting. Wait, I didn't. Did I pause it when I tested it? Okay, well, the pause menu still works. That's good. I don't have any clue how it still works because I deleted all of the logic related to it. I guess it just maybe is still controlled by the main scene. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is sort of still an issue I have with the main scene because I still have input connected to control the pause menu from the main node, which is kind of a no-no. Like it should. No, actually, it's gonna be kind of a bitch to handle, but it probably makes more sense to handle it in the main scene anyway, because if you think about it, the pause menu affects everything, not just the player. It affects play like NPC movement. It affects any particle systems that are currently moving. It just affects everything in the game that's affected by time. So I could put it in the player logic, but it actually wouldn't make much sense. So yeah, we're good in that respect then. To be honest, oh no, it does make sense to have the player scene though, because it does have to follow the player. It wouldn't, if we didn't have the pause menus in the player scene, it would just default to like the center of the scene. If I make it visible from here, okay, that's kind of weird how it's not visible in the main scene, but yeah, they would just be like not like in the correct position. They're put here in the player scene because that's where they are meant to be in the center for my screen, which is another issue I have to deal with because not everybody has my screen resolution. Yeah, I mean that's just a future issue that I'm gonna have to figure out when I start having other people play test, but that is an issue for a future day, not now. Anyway, so that's fine. Okay, I don't have to deal with anything pause related right now. I fucking hate pause menus, bro. They suck. But right, back to the script. We're controlling. We're getting the input in the main node, and then passing the get input vector that's returned from this function to what I assume is the state machine. Do we call it at some point in here? It might just be directly tied to the states, not the state machine. Yeah. Okay, so it's called in each state. So going forward, I have to make sure that excuse me, at the beginning of each like physics process, I think per behavior we're gonna have to call get input. So that's just something I gotta keep in mind. I guess I'll write that down. I probably won't fucking remember, but it's so broad. Any new states for player movement must create gets what was it? Is it the vector? Yeah. Crypsis. I'm not gonna know what the fuck this even means next time. Next time I go to code, I bet. But it helps me to write shit down, alright? Blow me. I guess I'll just write down what I've done today too. What is today? 2.26.25. Did I underline it? No. Okay. Refer to stream with this date for progress. Basically, I refactored the main player code from the main node into a semi proper state machine so that I can avoid a disgusting monster script that controls everything. Updated Trello board. Can I not? Okay. What is the next thing I wanted to do? Let's just put that in done. It's fine. Pause menu. I need to clean this up too. Like, I feel like I need to maybe flesh out my GDD a little bit so that I have a better idea of what to work on going forward, because I'm a bit disorganized. Must organize this GDD for better roadmap, I guess. Probably want to create sections, organize sections for various important things to develop or keep in mind. It's not something that should be a sub-bullet. Mechanics. Be specific test of ability. Story. Maybe demo and main. Just because you know, if I do want to make this a long-term project, I am going to make just a demo first so that, you know, I can get this shit out to the world and people can see how fucking awesome I am. I'm just kidding. Low-key, kind of kidding, not really. Okay, and then, like, I don't know, music? Man. It's weird, because I always have this same issue whenever I come back to organizing my projects with game dev, where I'm like, do I use Google Docs for organization, or should I use, like, a fucking image board software like Notion, I think. Like Trello, I think is great because it allows me to have just like a very basic daily to-do list. I think a GDD should be probably for my main things to keep in mind, like this. I think that's fine for now. Is there anything else to keep in mind with the GDD? I'll have to kind of do this on my own, maybe outside of streaming, but yeah, I don't know. I think that might be good for today. Dodging. I did not fucking do that at all today, but that's fine. We did make progress, and I'm proud of that. Is there anything else before I wrap this up? Now this will actually be helpful because I have a state machine. Yay! I'm curious how this is gonna work because it's not just one constant state with the attack cycle. I'm gonna have to do like a spin attack 1, spin attack 2, or uppercut. I'm curious how that is gonna work. Okay, I fucking wrote the same exactly. No, it's not the same. Never mind. Yeah, I guess that's fine for tonight. I think I made a good amount of progress. I think next time I might try to first start at least with organizing this game design document so that I don't like how fucking big the font is. Let me do that. Oh no, I have different sized things. I'm gonna lower this. Am I like zoomed in at all? Are all these the same? What the fuck? What? Why are these different? Okay, well, what? This is 10. This can be 9. That's fine. Keep that. Okay. That's a little better. I don't like how big this is either. This can be a little bigger actually. That's fine. Okay. Yes. I don't know. I might honestly. I'll think about migrating this to Notion. Because I've never used Notion, but it might be a little better than just a freaking Google Doc. I also like Obsidian, but I don't like how freaking tedious everything is. But I do kind of want a more organized system in this. Because putting images in Google Docs is not very good. As you can see. Okay, well, that just about does it for my progress tonight. I have to go to bed or I'm not going to get enough sleep. No, not that that ever mattered. I am Storm308. Thank you for joining me on this weird dual part stream for some reason, because Twitch is weird. / Streamlabs. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my antics with figuring out why ChatGPT sucks. I mean, is helpful. And why GD script is strange. I will catch you in the next stream. Hopefully I will do that maybe tomorrow. Let's see, wait, what is my schedule tomorrow? I work, I think, 1 to 8 or some shit. So, you know, provided there's no extraneous distractions from my life. Oh no, I have to go to the gym tomorrow. Fuck. Oh, where's the animation? Wait, what? Hold on a sec. Oh no, what is the right animation not work? Is it just the right animation? Oh jeez. What the fuck? Okay, well, apparently there's a new small bug we didn't notice. That's fine. That is weird. I don't know why it does that. That is very weird. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for today. I'm Storm308, whatever time of day it is for you, morning, afternoon, or night. Have a good one.